Hello guys, in this video we will be preparing our target and I have used Windows 7 32-bit. So let's get started by installing the Python 2.79 version. You can find the download link in the PDF manual. Notice that Python will install for us a very handy tools like pip and easy install. So we will be using this tool which is pip to install a third-party libraries later on. Now, similar to what we have done in Kali, let's create a quick and simple Python script just to make sure that everything is working fine. And I'm gonna create a new file. Let's go for a print hi and save it to the desktop. Okay, fair enough. Next step, we need to add Python into our path so we can start an interactive mode or interactive shell anywhere from the command line. So let me open a command line and type Python, and you can see that the Windows does not recognize the python.exe application by default. So we've got to add that manually. To do so, go to Advanced System Settings, then Environment Variables, and scroll down till we reach the path. We need to append or add the Python path as well as the pip path into this one so we can use them for the command line. Alright, so let me copy the path where Python application exists, and I will append this one. Make sure that you got a semicolon at the end just to make sure that you append to our existing value. And I will also go to scripts here where we got the pip. Let me copy the directory here again, and I will append it as well, and I will do a semicolon at the end. Okay, so after doing that, a restart is needed to take an active. Okay, so after I restart, let's try one more time, and I will open a command line and type Python. And fair enough, we got our interactive shell here. Okay. Now just to make sure that we got a connectivity with our Kali machine, I will make sure that the network setting is set to internal. So here's the internal network. And also we need to make sure that the network name matches the name on the Kali side, which is INTNET. Okay, so last thing, we need to give this machine an IP address on the same subnet as the Kali machine. So here I will do, for instance, 10.10.10.10. So let's go to TCP IP version 4, and I will do static, and the IP is 10.10.10.10. Last note, please keep in mind that we have installed the Python compiler on the target machine just to have a better way to explain the code and compile it. But please note that we will compile the Python script into a standalone exe later on, so it's gonna work on any target without having a Python compiler installed. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.